Hi. This is Lucas, very happy after his nap. Let's get some light in here.
Lucas got a nap, Mommy didn't.
Hmm.
I want to be totally nap.
He's like, what is that on the nightstand? I want it so bad. You want to tell us about it, Lucas? Ah. You want to tell us about it?
What do you see?
There's something on top of the dresser.
Is that mirror, maybe? Do you see yourself in a mirror?
I don't think so. I think he's looking somewhere in here. Oh, he's probably looking at those crazy stick-looking things that don't look normal. Now you see the camera. He's like, I want freedom, but you can't have freedom on the bed, you'll fall off. He's like, fine, I'll just bury my head in it. Here, set him up there with you again, so you can jump up and down and excited. He's
You get to explore and I got it by the ankles. But you can only